Hello gardener, welcome back to my channel Passionate Gardening. Today I will be discussing about the lilies, how to grow them, what to do after flowering is done, what to do with the seed pods, all I'll be discussing today. So those are my lilies which is done flowering already. So you can see little birds there. So first of all, it's up to you. Do you want to grow lilies from seeds? But this is a very time consuming. You can grow from seeds, but it's time consuming. But if you'd like your bulbs to be ready, the bulbs after dyeing the plant, there'll be bulbs which is mature enough, and you can grow this use the same bulb for the next year. Then I would suggest first of all cut these buds, cut these seed buds. We don't need, like, I'm not looking for grow lilies from the seeds because it's time consuming and they will take long time to grow as normal big lilies plants like this. So I have get rid of all these. You can see already I have get rid of some and only few was left, so I'll cut them up so they can like have, because the flower, I don't want my lily plants to pass the energy in the to produce seeds. So I want this energy to be go towards the bottom in the bulb and grow the bulbs mature enough and healthy for the next year. So let your lilies outside. They are very hardy in the temperature. They can stay outside and let them naturally die. Don't cut the stems. Don't ever cut the stems because these the leaves are actually giving energy to the bulb, and this time after flowering it's time to grow bulb, so that you can get a very healthy and good plants for the next year and lot of flowers for the next plant. It's not something only one bulb will from each plant. You'll have separated bulbs from there, so you'll have lot of bulbs be ready for the next year. So let these plants like that, let it die naturally, and you don't need to replant every year. You can, if your pot is enough, like I have these pots where I have 4 to 5 lilies in each pot. I can keep them another year and then I will separate those bulbs and replant it again in the bigger space or in multiple pots. Other thing you can do in the growing lily, there is another important tip I will be sharing with you. Like, so you can see there are little bulbs. These are little ones. They looks like little lily plants. So with this also we should be able to like grow lily plants. So this is one my almost ready. I will be taking this out and growing soon. There are a few more coming in these plants as well. You can see this is one. There are a few more. This one also you can see it's grown here as well. So there is another way you can grow your lilies. But a good point for these bulbs is like you can quite grow quite quickly. They will like ready for a mature plant soon, but for seeds it takes weeks and weeks, months to germinate only. But your these bulbs are almost ready, so you can pick them up, but wait for a few more days. When you see, like, if you touch or push, there will be little, sometimes you see little roots around this, so and then you can take them out. This is not big enough, but as this leaves are coming out, I soon I'll be put this up and plant separately. So if you like this video and if you think it's was helpful for you, please do like my video and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'll be keep sharing some tips about gardening and hope you have a very good time with gardening. Happy gardening, gardener. Until next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.